While working in an online environment, you will have to find ways to communicate with others over voice, video, or text. In this video, I'll be comparing 4 services that facilitate this: Zoom, Google Meet, Discord, and Microsoft Teams. By comparing these services, I hope to help you make the best possible decision for your needs if you ever have to create or manage a group using one of these services. I have chosen these 4 as they are the most commonly used and are all available to you. Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams are included as you'll find them in use by companies, teachers, and organized groups. Discord is included because it is by far the most popular among individuals, and you'll likely encounter it when working with others. However, note that there are many other options, so you may wish to research services not included here, such as Slack or Talks. You will need to create your own personal account to use Zoom, Google Meet, or Discord. Microsoft Teams is provided to you as a student, and when signing in, you will need to use your @nate.ca email address. To pick the correct service for you and your group, you must first consider your needs. Mainly, consider the following. Should anyone be able to join this group, or should this group only contain those invited to it? Will this group convene only once, or will they reconvene often? How large are the files this group will need to send within itself? How formal should this group be? Let's compare these services on all 4 categories. You invite people to Zoom, Google Meet, and Discord via a code or link. While it is possible to control who can join by restricting access to this code, it is possible for the code to leak, and individuals you did not intend to join may be able to. On Microsoft Teams, specific individuals are added by email address, reducing the likelihood of this happening. While it is possible to reuse Zoom and Google Meet links for more than one meeting, this may require scheduling in another application such as Google or Outlook Calendar. In addition, links from these services may expire if not used for some time. Discord and Microsoft Teams are dedicated spaces for communication instead of single-use meeting links, and as such, will not expire and are much easier to reuse. All of these services allow for file transfer, but the maximum file size differs. If you need to store large files for extended periods of time, Microsoft Teams is the most suitable. Zoom, Google Meet, and Discord will allow you to share files, but they are significantly more restrictive in comparison. Finally, there's the matter of formality. While Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams are prioritized for business and education use, Discord got its start as a gaming service, and the typical usage of it over the other services varies as such. While on the other services, you may be expected to set your name and profile picture to your real name and your real face, Discord users most commonly set their name to a pseudonym, referred to as a username, and their profile picture to whatever image they feel best represents them. Once you've selected your platform, you'll need to learn how to use it. While that is not covered in the scope of this video, you can watch some of the other videos on screen now to get an overview of basic to intermediate use of these services. Of course, the best way to learn about these services, how they operate, and which one is best for your needs, is to use them and experiment with their features. Try all 4 and see which one works best for you, or ask around to see what others think. Remember that if you have additional questions about these services, you can attend one of our Q&A sessions, and I'll try to answer your question as best as possible. Next video, we'll be going over online collaboration and basic usage of Google Drive and Office 365.